Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche here. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved that leopard skin eyeshadow look. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it. So I'm not going to teach you guys. It's not like a tutorial, kinda. It's like half tutorial but not really a tutorial because I made a couple of mistakes, but you guys will see it as the video continues. Okay, so first of all, I primed my eyes with the Revlon Fix and Focus eye primer, and then I'm going to set my eyes with this NYS Can't Stop No Stop setting powder. And I did my brows off camera. I'm going to leave the link to how I achieved my brows up there for you guys to check out, and also in the description box. After using the setting powder, then I'm going to go in with an eyeliner, and this is from ELF. So I'm just going to make a semi-circle shape. Okay, it doesn't have to be like organized. Okay, just do as you like. Sort of. So I'm just going to make a semi-circle shape. Okay, so like I said in the beginning, this is just us figuring out to do this thing together. Okay, so I didn't like the way the shape came out, so I had to clean it and start from the beginning. So this is me priming my eyes all over again. I'm going to prime my eyes again and set it with my setting powder, and then make another shape. Okay, so the other one I overdid it, I guess. I kind of winged it out and I didn't like the look of it, so that's why I'm doing this one again. So for this one, I'm going to just keep it inside my eyes. I won't take it out again like I did in the beginning. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to be using the shade Contour Cheek in the Golden Hour Tammi X Revolution face palette to just darken, just give it the whole leopard skin effect. So I'm just going to fill it into those tiny semicircle shapes that I made. Then I went in with the eyeliner again to just emphasize those dark lines to make it more pronounced. So guys, I'm going to do the rest of my face. First of all, I'm going in with the Revlon Photoready Prep Set and Refresh Mist, and then I went in with OXX Mineral Primer Clear Primer and then I'm going to use the foundation, the ELF foundation. and this is in the shade COCO. It's a deep with neutral undertone foundation. So I felt like I needed more coverage under my eyes, so I went in with the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer in the shade Cappuccino. I think it's Cappuccino, yeah. Then to highlight my face, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Corrector Multi-Usage. I mean, it's both a corrector and a concealer, and this is in the shade Caramel. Then to contour my face, I went in with the Morphe contour stick, and this is in the shade Effect 18. So guys, to set the places where I highlighted, I went in with Maybelline setting powder, and this is in the shade Medium 02. So this is the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder. It's very nice, guys. So guys, I'm going to leave the list of all the products that I mentioned today in the description box so that I can check it out. Then to set the rest of my face, I went in with my favorite pressed powder, which is the Milani Mineral Compact Powder in the shade 109 Warm. And to contour my cheek, I went in with the same Golden Hour Tammi X Revolution palette, and I used both the contour and the bronzer to both contour and bronze my face at the same time. And then for the blush, I also used the blush in the palette, and it's called the Blushed Baby Girl, to blush my face. Oh yeah, now I'm contouring my nose. So this is the Blushed Baby Girl in the same palette. And then to highlight my face or to add some glow, I used the Golden Hour inside the same face palette. Yeah, so this face palette is all in one. It's so nice, so nice. I did a review on this palette, which I'm going to link up there for you guys to go and watch. So guys, this is my attempt to get the whole cat eye, which I failed woefully, but I mean, I did my best. I did my best, but I think it came out okay. It wasn't that great or perfect, but I mean, it was good enough. And then for the mascara, I used the Maybelline Full and Soft Mascara. For my bottom lash line, I went in with the contour shade and the face palette that I used initially. So guys, I went ahead to put on some lashes off camera, and I'm going to set my face with the same setting spray that I used. And for my lips, I didn't know if I wanted to go with a dark red or with a proper red, a pepper red, I guess. And then I chose the pepper red. Yeah, so this is the OXX Cosmetics in the shade Hawaii. So guys, this is the final look. So comment down below if I nailed it or not. I tried my best. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.